All right, everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1967 Chevy Camaro, 396 big block. Very nice blue paint job with the black interior combo. What's really interesting about this car is you see that shifter? It's an automatic, not a stick. Can really deceive a few people, but makes the car look a little cool, as I like to say. Although it does have that 90s retro look with the steering wheel and the two-knob cassette radio, modern style. The 2-inch cowl induction hood does give it a really good stance. Besides that big block, those headers and that hydraulic cam, and the 18-inch US mag wheels, which don't even rub as I just made that turn over there. This car does have a lot of power. It's definitely one that you can make into anything you want. And yeah, we'll do a little brake test for you, see how the brakes work. I only hit the pedal halfway down. It performed really good. Yeah, just take a look at that. Bucket seats, stock interior, and they did add the aftermarket gauges, but in today's world you need to have those if you're especially driving a classic car. But anyway, we're gonna get it turned around, put on the lift. Stay tuned to look at the underneath.